So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the background color on your Keynote presentation. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead here and add a new blank slide just like that. And as you can tell, the background color by default is white. But if you wanted to go ahead and fill this to another color, first of all, you can press on the slide, go to the right to where it says color fill. So there's no fill. No fill actually makes it black. Color fill makes it white. There's gradient fill. There's advanced gradient fill. There's image fill. And there's also advanced image fill, so you can kind of play around with the style that you're looking for. But if you wanted to make this, for example, let's just make it teal, just like that, or ice color, just like that. You can do that. You can add a new slide, just like that. You can make this new slide pink, whatever the case may be. Now, if you were to go up and down for your slides, you can see the different color of the background. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the background color in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.